Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. Please don't mind my voice. This is like the fourth time I'm having some real bad shit in 2021. Today I prepared something super incredible for you guys. This is gonna be a review on this gorgeous palette. The one from Simple Beauty, the Painter's Palette. This palette literally became viral on TikTok, Instagram, as well as on YouTube. So we're about to see what the heck about this palette. Without further ado, let's get started. Simple Beauty, the Painter's Palette by Beth Painter. 30 shade eyeshadow palette. Thomas Merton once said, "Art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time." I designed this palette for you to feel just that. This quote is printed on the mirror inside of the palette to remind you of the message every time you open it and start painting. This palette fuels my creativity and I hope it does the same for you. Beth Painter. So it says that it's made in China but designed in the UK. 12th month after you unzipped, unlocked, whatever you did with this palette. It's cruelty free. 30 shadows. My god, I've been wanting to buy this eyeshadow palette for so long, and now when I have it, I'm super excited. I bought this eyeshadow palette because I fell in love with this gorgeous color right here. So this color made me buy this eyeshadow palette. Like in a minute or so, we're gonna do some swatches, of course, and then I'm gonna apply this all over my face. By the way, I love this frosty makeup look. If you wonder where did I take this gorgeous frosty highlighter, then check out my previous video that I uploaded about a week ago. And it has 3 different shimmery colors. That's not much, but I want to really test it with my brushes that I kind of forgot to wash off, so we're about to use some clean leftovers, but that's okay. I love some really dark palette range, but at the same time I really like these bright colors, so we're about to see if it really gives this vibe, this kind of transformation, this viral feeling, you know? I really want to get this viral feeling that everyone gets. Let's dive into this palette. And cut. Canvas. Insta. Spud. Bon Bon. Jojo. Vino. Real quick notice between my swatches. I want to know how it takes off. Just like, does it have any stains? It's kind of good. I kind of like it. So let's carry on. Martini. Natalie. Painter. Tinkerbell. Summer. Leo. Ibiza. Cottage. Florist. Pumpkin. Catters. Mickey. Scamp. 1999. Alex. Pop. Prince. Every cloud. Silver lining. I love it. Look at that, so pretty. Biscuit. Truffle. Fudge. And smoky. So that's what you have at the end. It's super soft. I would definitely compare this to my Beauty Bay palette. Even it's like just kind of stole my heart. I love truffle color. It's super pigmented in all this shimmer shades. I love it. It's time to apply these colors and see how they perform. I'm gonna tell you this palette was a little bit pricey, so there was some kind of a discount on Beauty Bay website. So I kind of was waiting. I don't really know the prices right now. I'm gonna check them out and let you know down in the description box.
I'm pretty much sure any shadows are gonna work with NYX Peridot Primer. I picked Spot Shade because it's gonna set the lid but show no color, like at all. I couldn't resist the temptation and not to use cat ears in this look. My favorite rich color goes in the outer third, and I'm making sure this guy is nicely blended. It's better to look at my finger instead of color name, for sure, which is, by the way, Summer. I'm gonna work with Summer a lot, especially in the outer third, kinda prolonging a wing. JoJo is softer in the lid than in the pen, so it goes in the inner portion of the lid. Time to go in with pumpkin color that Bonbon is gonna diffuse later on. And as I've mentioned before, I'm back with this gorgeous summer shade. Finally, I'm able to try out some shimmers, and by some, I mean all of them. I'm actually super happy with this formula. It's been a while since I've used dry, not wet, but dry brush. I mixed a martini with Natalie, which might sound like a bad idea, but it worked out perfectly. My lower lid has the same shades. Moving to my left eye, this is gonna be quite the opposite. Truffle is set in the primer. Okay, what a palette. Ibiza with Alex are gonna flex in the outer and middle portions. Later on, Mickey is joining the group by diffusing the whole intensity. My final shade before I move to the lower lid is Silver Lining. It's not a lie if I say that Silver Lining is the most beautiful color I've ever seen. Scamp, Painter, and Pop are working on the lower lid.
Okay guys, do you really want to know the truth? I don't really think. I know that this is my best makeup look so far. I'm obsessed with the shimmery colors because with even my dry, like listen to me, with my dry brush, I managed to do this beauty. I don't really have fallouts at all on my face. I'm planning on doing some video how I apply my lashes. I don't really have one really great technique that I found somewhere, I don't remember where, but this helped me a lot. I'm gonna be doing this video in a few days probably, and I'm about to cut my hair because like they're super long, so if you wanna see how I cut my hair, stay tuned as well. If you ask my opinion, what you didn't, but if you asked my opinion, I want you to tell this. Obsessed. Holy grail. My favorite eyeshadow palette of all times. So pretty, so good, and I get it. why it became viral. I hope you enjoyed this review, guys. If you did, then let me know in the comments. You know that I read your comments, I love them, and I try to answer all of them. We have 44 subscribers, and I'm so grateful with your help. I mean your help, because I'm filming for you guys. I'm kind of upgrading my skills. I practice a lot, and you can see like my first video and the latest one. This is just a whole new level. Please take time, practice a lot. And it's not about some palettes, but I do really like this one. This is just a Holy Grail palette. But I really want you to focus. Yes, of course, like in the middle of the speech, I really want you to focus on your skills and practicing them over and over again. But till my next video, that's gonna be uploaded hopefully really soon. By the way, this video is not sponsored. All the products I bought for my own money. Till my next video. Bye bye.